This is 18011 Hoover. It is 7/17/18 weekly walkthrough repair video. We need to pull some of the weed trees out of these shrubs and maybe trim them back a little bit. Some of them are starting to encroach on the walkways. Carl is rekeying that breezeway tomorrow because there's keys broken off in both doors. Trim shrubs over here. All the way around. There's some gutter issues going on up here. Straighten that out. It's like smushed all the way in. Huge holes in the driveway. And honestly, that's about it. This property looks pretty good.